What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to do an update on Palantir. We got some more news yesterday, and I want to do an update with you guys on what I did today. So if y'all find value, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. And guys, if you want some free stocks, if you like free money, that is, check out the Moomoo link down below or the QR code right here, or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with a $100 deposit, you get a bunch of stocks. All the details are there, guys. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it, man. So check it out. It's about 3:40 right now on the East Coast on this beautiful Friday on the last day of May. By the way, hope you guys had a great May and have an even better June. June's going to be great. Summer's here, man. You can't beat it. So check it out. Palantir right now, as markets are about to close in 15-20 minutes, it's down about 1%. It's at $21.55. And earlier in the day, I'm not sure if you guys caught it, but it was at where was it at? $22.20 in the morning. And yesterday after the bell, we got a huge push to about $22.40. And of course, after that, we gave back all the gains. So we're going to talk about the news that we got yesterday, what I ended up doing today. So let's get into it, guys. Let me actually pop up the investor relations tab here on Palantir, and we can go over what in the world is going on. So you guys probably remember we talked about how they're deepening their relationship, their partnership with Eaton. We talked about that in my previous Palantir update, which that's great news. They're going to be incorporating AIP, all that good stuff. Make sure to go check out the video from yesterday if you guys want to see an update on that. And now we got news yesterday that Palantir has been selected by Chief Digital and Artificial Intelligence Office, also known as the CDAO, to participate in scaling data analytics and AI capabilities across the Department of Defense in support of CGADC2 strategy. So let me actually show you guys a little bit more of what's going on here. I'll zoom in a little bit. So they announced yesterday that the Department of Defense Chief Digital and Artificial Intelligence Office awarded its subsidiary Palantir USG a production contract to make licenses of their AI-enabled operating system available across the Department of Defense, starting with an initial order of $153 million to support certain combatant commands and the joint staff, and additional awards can be made up to $480 million over a 5-year period. Big news here, guys. And additionally, CDAO has awarded Palantir a prototype other transaction, OT in other words, for $33 million to rapidly and securely onboard third-party vendor and government capabilities into the government-owned Palantir-operated data environment to meet priority combatant command digital needs. And check this out here, guys. The head of Palantir Defense Growth said these awards represent a vital step in warfighter adoption of AI, moving cutting-edge technology from experiment to enterprise production. Shannon Clark is her name, by the way. And she also said, "We are proud to support the CDAO, enabling commanders to make better, faster decisions across all domains at unprecedented scale." And Palantir's commercial solutions will be part of the larger CGAD C2 ecosystem, integrating with other vendors and programs to support battle space awareness, global integration, contested logistics, joint fires, and targeting workflows. And users will benefit from the current data integrations created as a result of Palantir's work on fielding AI and ML tools for the warfighter over the last several years. So I'm actually loving this, guys. And again, the big thing here is additional awards can be made up to $480 million. In other words, guys, $500 million over a 5-year period. And who knows how this relationship will grow and expand over time. Again, they were already working with Eaton. We talked about them yesterday. Now they're deepening that relationship. So I'm a big fan of this, guys. This is good news. And let me read you one more excerpt here. In this era of geopolitical competition, the CDAO has become an essential leader in bringing operational ADC2 capabilities to life through the agile, effective, and responsible deployment of AI/ML, said Akash Jain, president of Palantir USG. They also said Palantir is honored to continue supporting the CDAO's mission to develop, field, and scale AI-enabled solutions that advance U.S. defense, and we look forward to working alongside America's warfighters to ensure these efforts are effective where they matter most, which is in the field and in the hands of decision makers at all echelons. So yeah, guys, big news out of Palantir, which initially that did shoot the stock up to about $22.50 like we saw in the aftermarket yesterday. Let me pull it up here and zoom in. $22.39 to be exact is what it's reading here for me. So we hit that point, we then sold off, and then we actually popped in the morning again, failed to break out of the highs from yesterday after the bell, and then we dumped off, which is exactly where I bought more stock. You heard it right. I bought more stock at $21.55. Funny enough, exactly where we are right now. So I saw this pop in the morning to about $22.20. Then as we started selling off aggressively, well, that's when I put my buy order in, got filled, and then it went down a little bit more. It is what it is. You can't time the bottom on every single buy, guys. And now it looks like we are slowly starting to break out heading into close. So yeah, what did you guys do today, guys? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. Are you buying Palantir, holding on, selling? Which, if you're selling, I'd love to know why in the comments down below. But yeah, that's what I did today, guys, in the midst of a pretty rocky stock market, which we're bouncing back, which is a good sign considering earlier in the day we were deep in the red. You guys can see the sharp V-shaped recovery that SPY's seeing right now. We hit 518 earlier. Now we're at 524. We're up around 1.1% off the lows. That's a good sign. And triple Q is up from 443 to now 449. We're up around, 1.4 to 1.5% off the lows, which, guys, you can't complain. Considering earlier we were down, I think 1.7% on the NASDAQ. Now it's only down 0.5%. I consider that a pretty strong rebound, and notice the buying pressure coming right at the 180 moving average on the 4-hour chart on triple Q and on SPY here. That's a good sign overall for the bulls, right? That the uptrend is continuing, and the fact that we V-shaped recovered like that heading into the weekend, I'm liking that. That's a pretty good sign. So what do you guys think about the markets, Palantir, the news, my move, what I'm doing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. That helps me out overall in the algorithm. And if you guys want to be a part of the Discord, see my charts and ideas throughout the week, and most importantly, if you want to see me build out my private portfolio, that's linked down below on Patreon. Check out the QR code right here, or just go to stosserfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you later.